Okay. So basically, guys, today is the start of intensive class lah. Permulaan kelas intensive. Okay. So guys, um, today we are doing Form 4 Chapter 1 Functions at Maths. Tingkatan 4 bab 1 fungsi. Okay. So basically, I will teach very fast. Saya akan ajar sangat cepat. Because I expect all the basics in function you should know already. Kamu kena tahu semua asas dalam bab ni. This is just to recap what you have learned in a fast way. Okay? Sebagai ulang kaji bab fungsi dengan pantas. Maksud pantas saya adalah 30 hingga 45 minit. Kita cover satu bab macam ni. Okay, 30 to 45 minutes. 45 minit extra, kita terus buat latihan bab ni. We do all the exercises regarding this chapter. Okay, from trial question, soalan percubaan. So this is how I will conduct my intensive class. Setiap kelas intensif macam ni. Maths, modern maths. Same format. Okay, so this is the first thing. Okay, second thing. Okay, so how to get the best benefit from this class? Macam mana dapat faedah paling banyak? Okay, so basically normal rules lah. Focus in class. Okay, kamu kena betul-betul fokus. Especially if your maths very weak. Okay, matematik tambahan sangat lemah, terutamanya bab ni, you have to focus a lot. Okay, because if you focus, definitely you can understand one. Okay, pasti boleh. Okay, and yeah, also answer the question that I asked. Okay, kamu kena jawab soalan yang saya tanya. Okay, okay, one more thing guys. When I ask question to public, right, bila saya tanya soalan kat umum, if you're not sure of the answer, it's okay. You just reply only. Kalau kamu tak tahu jawapan kepada soalan tu, tak mengapa. Kamu jawab berdasarkan apa yang kamu tahu saja. Tak kira betul atau salah. Okay? Wrong or right doesn't matter, guys. Okay? As long as you answer. Okay? A person who is wrong, who answer wrong the question, to me lah, is better than a person who do not answer the question. Do you agree, guys? Orang yang jawab soalan salah lebih bagus dari orang yang tak jawab soalan. Betul ke tak, guys? Agree, right? Yes. So this is what I want from all of you. Semua orang. Every single class. Okay? So yeah. And then, okay, one more thing. Let's say when halfway I explaining time, right? You don't understand. Kamu tak faham. Okay, this is a secret code for all of you. Okay, so remember this code, guys. Kalau kamu faham, when I teach certain time, I'll ask you all, do you all understand what I say or not? Adakah kamu faham? Kamu type 1. If you understand what I mean, you type 1. Can, guys? If you don't understand apa yang saya ajar, kalau kamu tak faham bahagian tu, kamu type 2. Senang tak, guys? Easy or not? Understand, type 1. Don't understand, type 2. Means that if you type 2, you must ask me question lah. Of course. Okay, kalau kamu type nombor 2, maksudnya kamu kena tanya soalan kat saya. Okay? And yeah, if you don't type at all, that means I assume you understand lah. Kalau kamu tak type nombor 1 atau 2, maksudnya kamu faham lah. Okay? So yeah. Okay. So I think that is about it. Yeah. Okay. So about this chapter, guys, functions. Who is weak in this chapter? Can anyone tell me? Siapa rasa lemah dalam bab ni? Bab fungsi. Comment? Who feel weak? Okay, got 5 people, 6 people, 8, 10. Okay, got a lot of people also weak lah. Okay, no worries. We will try our best to understand it. Okay, for those that just joined, you can also share the link, okay, to your friends. Boleh kongsi juga, kita nak mula. Okay, so yeah. Okay, guys. Okay, when I talk about maths, right? Before I start the lesson itself, I know you guys will be thinking like, oh no, here we go again, right? Because you all don't like maths. Am I right? Kamu semua tak suka maths. This is what I feel lah. My general perception of everyone thinking. Okay? So this is the code I give you all. You don't have to be great to start. You have to start to be great. Okay? So this is the code for today's lesson. Okay? So hopefully you all will apply this code lah. Okay, so let's start off, guys. Okay, guys. So in function, chapter 1. Okay. So first part, you all learn on Among Us. Now not so famous already, that thing. That one was like long ago trend, if not mistaken. So yeah. Okay. So functions, guys. In BM fungsi. Okay. So first part we are talking about is hubungan. Okay. Relation. Okay. So what type of hubungan, guys? Berapa jenis hubungan kita ada, guys? Can you all tell me how many type of relation we have total? Okay. Very good. Yes. The answer is 4. Okay. So I think you all know lah. Okay. So the 4 type of relation is one to one to many to one, many to many. Okay, satu kepada satu kepada banyak, banyak kepada satu, banyak kepada banyak. Okay, now, what type of question they like to ask over here in SPM? Okay, first thing they will ask you is, which one is a function? Which type of relation is a function? Can anyone tell me? Hubungan mana antara keempat-empat ni adalah fungsi? Cuba jawab. Which one? Got only two. Two of these are function. Dua jawapan. So which one? Okay, one more. Satu kepada satu. Yes. And many to one. Correct. So this one and this one are both functions. Okay, dua-dua ni adalah fungsi. Alright? Okay, so these two, one to many and many to many, bukan fungsi. They are not function. Okay? So why, guys? Mengapa macam ni? Okay. Basically, you can refer to the image. Okay, so whenever you see your image is 1, bila nampak image kamu hanya satu sahaja, you got only one image, means that this is a function. Okay, kalau image hanya satu, maksudnya dia adalah fungsi. Kalau image banyak, contoh macam ni, dan macam ni, if you got many as your image, this is not a function. Can you see, guys, the word many here? Banyak. So this is not a function, bukan fungsi. Are you clear, guys? Boleh faham? Remember the code now, guys. Understand type 1, don't understand type 2. Okay, understand, very good. Okay, next one. Okay, so now when you analyze this diagram, right, you can get a lot of information. Kamu boleh dapat banyak benda. Okay, guys, left hand side, bahagian kiri. What do we call this? Kita panggil semua ni apa? Very good. Okay, this is what we call as object. How about the right hand side? Belah kanan? This one. Yes, we call it as image. Okay, so the process is object to image. Always like that. Okay, selalu kamu pergi dari object ke image. Okay, so now object usually kebiasaannya kita akan bagi simbol X. Okay, usually we will give X symbol. Okay, okay, so now let's say I put a symbol here, Y, instead of X. Kalau saya guna simbol Y untuk mewakili objek, boleh ke tak, guys? Can I use Y to represent object? Answer me, yes or no. Let's say I use the symbol Y. Fikir betul-betul, boleh ke tak saya guna Y sebagai objek? Can I use Y as my notation for object? Okay, sama. Lagi. Saya nak tengok lagi orang. Okay, mixed answer. Okay, so the answer is, you're correct, Nitya, but it's not 100% of the cases. Dia bukan 100% case. Okay, guys, the answer is actually yes, can. Okay, Y can also be used as your object. Okay, this is the common misconception. You always think X is object, Y is image. Am I right, guys? Kamu selalu fikir macam ni kan? X object, Y image. Bukan. Totally wrong concept. It's correct, but it's not always like that. Dia bukan selalunya macam tu. Okay? So I can say Y is object. So image, I will give symbol Fy. Do you all understand, guys? Kalau object Y, image Fy. Let's say, guys, my object is Z. What is my image, guys? Can you all tell me? Kalau object Z, image? Yes, Fz. Kalau object saya B, guys, apa image saya? Yes, FB. So do you guys see the concept? Yeah, Facebook. Correct. Okay, so yes, F bracket object. Very good. Okay, guys. So that is the concept. The thing that you see in the bracket, yang nampak dalam kurungan tu, selalunya adalah objek. Okay, the one inside the bracket is the object. The one outside the bracket is the image. Okay, yang sama dengan selepas tu, yang tu adalah image. Okay, so this is the basic concept that you all must know over here. Okay, so we go to the next part. Okay, so now from this diagram, right, we call this as arrow diagram, gambar wajah anak panah. Okay, so left hand side, belah kiri, we can call it as domain. Okay, this is another term. Satu lagi cara kita panggil lah. Okay, and then right hand side, we call it as codomain. Okay, so domain, codomain. Okay, now the major confusion is over here. Okay, guys, can anyone tell me what is the difference between codomain and range? Apa perbezaan codomain dengan julat? Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya berdasarkan soalan ni? Based on this question, what is the most obvious difference you can observe? Range is equip. Very good. Okay, correct. Range only object that have image. Very good. Okay, guys, remember, range is the object that only have image. Yes, yes, very good. Correct. Okay, codomain is everything in the circle. Okay, codomain akan mewakili semua nombor dalam bulatan ni. Tetapi julat hanya mewakili apa yang ditunjukkan oleh anak panah sahaja. Maksudnya 3, 4, 5 sahaja. Okay, only shown by arrow is your range. Okay, so why is it like that, guys? Mengapa macam tu? Okay, so guys, if you understand the arrow diagram, kalau kamu faham gambar wajah anak panah, usually from the arrow diagram, right, guys, what can we draw? Apa kita boleh lukis dari gambar wajah anak panah ni? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? What is the second thing we can draw from the information over here? Anyone know? Very good. Yes, the answer is graph, guys. Okay, guys. So graph, you have a range, right? Range is the y-axis in the graph. Okay, julat adalah paksi y graph. So guys, when you plot a coordinate, it must have x and y. Am I right? X, y baru bentuk satu coordinate. So guys, look at the number 6 over here. Adakah nombor 6 ni ada coordinate x? Does it have an x coordinate? Yes, don't have. So can we plot this on the graph, guys? Adakah kita boleh lukis ni kat graph? Cannot. Very good. Okay, so that's why our range is tidak termasuk 6. Okay, julat tak ada 6 because we cannot plot the point. Kita tak boleh plot titik 6. Okay, are you clear, guys? Up till now, these are the few terms that you all need to know. Okay, 1. Still remember the code. Not bad. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay. All right. Now we go to 1.2. Sorry, I didn't mention this one. Okay, guys. Got another 2 more method to represent function. 2 lagi kaedah. One is called ordered pair. Let me think and see. Pasangan tertib dalam BM. Okay. So ordered pair is basically your coordinate. Okay, tak perlu fikir susah-susah. Ordered pair is just your coordinate. Okay, coordinate biasa sahaja. Tak ada apa-apa special. Okay, and then graph dari pasangan tertib ni, from the ordered pair, you can plot the graph. Okay, so this is the importance of ordered pair. Okay, actually, arrow diagram, gambar wajah anak panah, boleh tak saya terus guna ni untuk plot graph, guys? Yes or no? Can I direct use the arrow diagram to draw the graph? Boleh ke tak? Gambar wajah anak panah, info kat situ, saya lukis graph. Boleh ke tak? What do you all think? Yes or no? Yes, of course can. Boleh. Okay, so you got 2 methods. One is ordered pair, second is arrow diagram. Dua-dua pun boleh untuk lukis graph. Okay, because you have the coordinate. Okay, all right. So next one, okay, we come to 1.2. 1.1 already finished, guys. 1.1 dah habis. Okay, so 1.2, we are going to the proper part of the function. Okay, so okay. All right, guys. So first thing that you all need to know over here, this one. Can anyone tell me Sorry, it's already shown over there. Never mind. This is what we call as function notation. Okay, tatanda fungsi. Okay, guys, exam like to ask this, huh? Vexan Suka Tanya, have you all seen this question? They ask you to write the function notation. Tulis tatanda fungsi. Yes or no? Have seen, right? Very famous, right? Okay. Common mistake, you all will write like this. Kebanyakan daripada kamu akan tulis macam ni. Betul? Am I right? Totally wrong, ah. Yang ni salah. Okay, kalau soalan tanya tatanda fungsi, kamu jawab yang ni salah. Okay, you must write like this. 100% like this. Okay, so yeah, this is only one method. Whenever you see the word function notation, tatanda fungsi. Okay guys, so how can we actually interpret this? Macam mana kita boleh analisis persamaan ni? Okay, so basically, can anyone tell me what is the object here? Apa object dalam fungsi ni? Yes, X. What is the image, guys? Okay, can fx 2x both also can. Yes, very good. Sangat bagus. Okay, so how do we draw the arrow diagram from here? Okay, so basically you got two circle, x, 2x, one dot over here, and then you just draw an arrow, connect. Okay, something like this. Okay, x to 2x. Okay, this one is f. Can you all understand? Senang kan? Whatever function they give you, this is how it you draw. Ini cara kamu lukis. Okay? All right. So next one, guys. Okay, this one very simple. They will ask you like certain question lah. Find the object when image is 3. Okay, cari object bila image adalah 3. Okay, guys. When you see the word image is 3, what is the meaning? Apa maksud yang kamu boleh terbitkan? Bila image sama dengan 3. Fx, yes. Fx equal to 3. Correct. Okay. Then you have to find your x lah. X adalah object. So you must find the object. Okay. So in this case, they give you the object. They want you to find the image. Okay. Object diberi, cari image. Okay. So x equal 1. You substitute inside the equation. Gantikan dalam x. This part is very important, guys. Nampak senang. Look very easy. But later when the question come more complex, like composite function, fungsi gubahan, kita masih guna konsep ni tau. So make sure you all truly understand this concept. Kamu kena faham ni betul-betul. Because this one is a simple equation. Sangat senang. Tanpa pecahan atau apa-apa. But later when you get more complex, you still apply the same concept. Guna konsep sama macam ni. Okay? So you just substitute inside the x term. Ganti dalam sebutan x. Okay? So are you clear, guys? Up till here? Any problems so far? Clear, huh? Okay, number 1. Not bad. So far, I never see any number 2. Tak nampak nombor 2. Fx is object, right? Then 2x is not object. 2x is image in this question. But when they give the value of x, yes, correct. Your second part is correct. They give the value for x, then is fx is image. Yes. But the x is object, fx is image. Okay? So in this case, x is your object, 2x is your image. Okay? Always whatever you see, guys, after the arrow, this one over here. This one. After the arrow is your image. Okay? Selepas anak panah. Okay? Alright. So we go next one. Okay. So next one, we are talking about, okay, composite already. 1.2 already done. So fast, let me see. Yes, correct. Okay, guys. So we entering subtopic 1.3 already. Composite function. Okay. Composite function also got used the arrow diagram. Masih guna gambar raja anak panah. Okay, but is involve 2. Okay, menggunakan 2. Okay, so composite function is a combination of one or more function. Okay, gabungan 2 atau lebih fungsi sebenarnya. 2 or more. Okay, so guys, why is it 2 or more? Mengapa 2 atau lebih? Okay, guys, do you all still remember one term you learned before in NMATS? Wait, okay, never mind. Composite index. Index gubahan. Do you all still remember these, guys? Composite index. Index gubahan. How many years involved, guys? berapa tahun untuk indeks gubahan? Yes. Okay, 3, correct. So guys, can you see now? Composite function also got 3 circle, 3 bulatan. Okay, so it's definitely more than 1. Lebih besar dari 1. That's why we call it composite. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now, how to form composite function? Okay, so basically, if you see your first function here is fx, second function is gx. What is the composite function, guys? Can you all tell me based on this? Yes, gfx. Okay, always remember, guys, this one comes first, this one comes second. Okay, gfx. Okay, so fx adalah priority, keutamaan kita beri pada fx, then only gx. Okay, why is it like that, guys? Because if you see the arrow diagram, A go to B, fx, B go to C, gx. So logically, fx should be first, right? Then only you can get the image here. Fx tu kena datang dulu, baru gx untuk dapat image kat C. Okay, but our writing is a bit weird. Okay, usually people will think fgx. Okay, because this one first, this one second. Wrong. Okay, is the terbalik, opposite. Okay, you must write as gfx. Okay, so one concept I can help you understand. Satu konsep lah kamu boleh guna. Okay, guys. You all got learn transformation, right? Form 5, chapter 5. For those in Form 5 right now, tingkatan 5. Guys, if got transformasi AB, which one come first, guys? Yang mana datang dulu? Yes. Can you see, guys? The pattern repeat. F come first, then only G. Our pattern in maths or at maths is always from the right to the left. Kanan ke kiri. The order. Urutan dia selalu dari kanan ke kiri. Okay? It's not coincidence, you know. Bukan, I don't know what's coincidence. Never mind. Memang macam tu. Okay, you have to follow like that whenever you have a combination of two things. Okay, so yeah. But of course, when you solve equation, guys, don't think you have to solve from right to left. Okay, let's say I got equation something like this. 2x minus 1 minus 3x squared plus 5. You don't tell me solve this way, Salah, Tak ada siapa buat macam ni, Equation you solve as normally, left to right. Okay, if you solve this way, I don't know how you get the answer. Saya pun tak tahu macam mana kamu dapat jawapan if you go this way. Okay, maybe you can show me a bit how to do if you do that way. Okay, so now, okay, so how to get the composite function? Okay, so basically, since you know that fx is 3x and gx is x squared, okay, so kamu boleh buat macam ni. Okay, so fx come first, right? So fx you substitute with 3x. Okay, so now a lot of people don't understand this step. Banyak orang tak faham dari baris kedua ke baris ketiga. Okay, so how, guys? Fx, this one now, over here, this is fx, right, guys? Ini akan jadi objek pula. Okay, untuk fungsi yang ni. Okay, fx become the object now for your gx function. Okay, so that's why you have to substitute 3x inside the x term. Kamu kena gantikan 3x ni dalam sebutan x bagi fungsi g. Boleh faham tak, guys? You substitute the 3x inside the x term of your gx function. Okay, can you all get it? This part also a lot of people make mistake because they confuse a bit sometimes. Okay, so you will get answer is 9x squared. Okay, so this is your final answer. All right, up till now, do you all understand? 1 or 2? 1, Okay, good. Okay, so now, let me see. Okay, this one nothing. Okay, so we see an example, guys. So they want you to form composite function GF. Okay, so which one come first, guys? GF? Mana datang dulu? G or F? Okay, people get tricked already. Guys, start with F, Always remember GF, you must start with F. Then only go to G. Okay, always right to left. Yes. Okay, so now, guys, how are we going to solve this? Okay, so basically you start with F, right? So fx function you substitute first. Kamu ganti fungsi fx. So fx is x plus 1. Okay, so now x plus 1 you must substitute in the X term only. Kamu gantikan X tambah 1 dalam X. Okay, so that's why you have 3 bracket X plus 1. Okay, so final answer is 3X plus 3. Boleh dapat guys? Understand? Easy, right? Composite function. Settle. Composite function habis dah. Last subtopic already now. Inverse function. Okay? Alright, so inverse function, easy masa exam. Yes, yes. Guys, you must understand, whatever I teach now, this is the basics, guys. This never start the K-bar also yet. Tak mula soalan K-bar lagi. You see the question later when I discuss with you all about the K-bar. Then you'll understand better. This is just to give you all the recap. Ulang kaji, semua konsep. Okay? So, patient a bit. Okay, so now, inverse function, fungsi songsang. Okay, recently, right, in trials and SPM, they like to ask a lot of hard questions from here. Have you all noticed, guys? Dari subtopic ini dia suka tanya soalan susah. Okay, example I give you lah, guys. This is a very recent trend. Sangat baru. Like this kind of question. Okay? So you must know how to solve this kind of question. Maybe you never see before. Never mind. Okay, kalau kamu tak pernah nampak macam ni, tak apa. Kita bincang nanti. Okay? So that's the importance of doing trial questions, guys. Itu kepentingan soalan percubaan. Understanding the basics in AdMaths is enough for you to pass. Okay, kalau kamu faham semua basic dalam AdMaths, boleh pass lah AdMaths. But if you want a higher grade, like A or A+, then you have to make sure you can solve all the K-bar. Kalau kamu boleh buat soalan K-bar, yes, you can get A or A+. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now let us look at inverse function, fungsi songsang. Okay, so usually the concept is X go to Y. Am I right? So you have Fx equal to Y. Betul? This is the general concept. Okay, so now let's say saya patah balik. I reverse. So this is what we call as inverse function, fungsi songsang. Okay, so it means that you F inverse Y, you should get X. Something like that. This is your assumption, anggapan kamu. F songsang Y, kamu dapat balik X. Okay, so this is the Venn diagram. Okay, one more thing, guys. Please take note. This one is a common mistake. F inverse is not equal to 1 over F. Anyone had this kind of thinking before? Siapa ada fikiran macam ni? F songsang sama dengan 1 bagi F. Wrong, totally wrong. Salah. Okay, because this is not actually indices. Ini bukan bab index. This is function, you know. This F is not alphabet. Yes. F ni bukan huruf. Kalau huruf, yes. Betul. 1 per F. Tapi ni F adalah fungsi. Function. So you cannot write as 1 over F. Okay. But the meaning, maksud dia, kamu boleh faham macam ni. Songsang. Songsang maksudnya 1 bahagikan. Inverse will always put 1 over. Like inverse variation, guys. Kamu semua belajar modern maths kan? Variasi songsang. How to do variasi songsang, guys? A, something like this, right? 1 over. 1 per. This is inverse. Okay, sama macam ni. 1 per. Okay, so you can think the concept like that. Boleh fikir macam tu. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we see a question. Okay, guys. All right. So let's say, guys, they give you Fx equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, so now, how to find F inverse x? Sorry. Okay, how to find F inverse x? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Fx equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, there are a few steps. Ada beberapa langkah. Okay, so first step, let y. Okay, can. Okay, so basically my step is different. I introduce my step first. Okay, then we go to your one. Saya bagi tahu langkah saya dulu. Okay, usually first step, when I solve inverse function, bila saya buat, my first step, is always this one. Okay, so I will make an assumption something like this. F inverse x equal to y. Ini adalah anggapan saya dulu. Okay, can you all understand? Because y is basically fx and fx and f inverse x equal to y. Okay, you must understand these guys. F inverse x and fx, they are both showing the image. Kedua-dua ni menggambarkan image. So that's why dia sama dengan y. Okay, so this is my assumption. Okay guys, so now I will write like this, x equal to fy. Can you understand guys how I go from the first line to second line? Boleh dapat? Cara saya pergi basically is f inverse I throw over here dari kiri ke kanan. So f songsang saya bawa ke kanan jadi f kuasa 1. Kuasa 1 tak perlu tulis lah. Okay, fy. Okay, alright. So now fx equal to 3x plus 1. Fy pula guys sama dengan apa? What do you all think? Fx equal 3x plus 1. So if I have fy, what will I write? Yes, 3y plus 1 lah. Senang tak guys? Easy, right? Okay, so now your job is to find f inverse x. Kamu kena cari f songsang x. So guys, what must you find now? Apa kamu kena cari? Kamu kena cari y. Okay, you must find y. Then only you can get f inverse x. Okay, so now guys, based on this, I must express y in term of x. Saya kena ungkapkan y dalam sebutan x. So this is the answer. Okay? Yes, very good. So guys, I've already found my f inverse x. Sama dengan x tolak 1 bahagi 3. Understand guys? Senang tak guys? So easy, right? Okay? That's why I tell you guys, AdMaths is easy one. You all only trying to complicate it. Okay, dia senang saja. Very, very easy. Okay, if you understand the concept, it's as easy as this, like how I say. Okay, but sometimes in exam, they not always ask you to find the inverse function. Peperiksaan tak selalu tanya suruh cari fungsi songsang. Okay, kadang-kadang dia nak kamu buat proses terbalik. Have you all seen this kind of question guys? Mereka bagi fungsi songsang, suruh cari fungsi biasa. Betul? They give you the inverse function, they ask you to find back the normal function. So what must you do guys? Kamu kena buat apa? Reverse lah proses ni. Reverse sahaja. Just reverse the exact process. Means you start from here, you go up. Pergi atas, cari fx. Boleh dapat tak guys? So this is the exact step lah that you do. You just reverse it. Okay, make sure that your mind can think two ways. Okay, minda kamu boleh fikir dua arah. Bukan satu arah saja. Boleh fikir terbalik juga. Okay, because at maths, you must know how to do one way and the opposite also. Okay, so yeah, this is about inverse function. Okay, understand guys? Do you all get it? This page, 1 or 2? Any question? Wow, everyone won. So good. Okay, next one. Let me see what this one talk about. Okay, now we are coming, still got some more. 1.5. Okay, absolute function. Yes, this one also is, they like to ask, suka tanya. Okay, basically what you must know here is the graph. Kamu kena tahu lukis graph sahaja. Okay, so guys, when you see this symbol, bila nampak simbol ni, dia maksud modulus. Okay, this symbol is called modulus. Okay, what is the meaning of modulus, guys? Can you all describe to me? Apa maksud modulus dalam fikiran kamu? In your mind, what is the meaning? Very good. Okay, always positive. Selalu positif. Very good. Okay, guys. So you must remember, when you draw your graph, make sure there is no negative in your graph. Okay, dia tak boleh ada graph kat bahagian ini. Okay, your graph must only be on top here. Nowhere else. Okay, so yeah. And usually what is the shape, guys, of a modulus graph? Can you all tell me? Apa bentuk graph modulus? Very good. Okay, the answer is a V-shaped graph. Okay, means it will look something like this. Basically, usually like this. Okay, kadang-kadang boleh ubah sikit, but the overall shape is like this. Okay, so how to do the graph? Okay, basically, macam kamu lukis apa-apa graph pun, kamu kena plot titik dulu. You must plot the points. Okay, so how to plot the point is based on the information in the question. Okay, contoh guys, the question gives something like this. This is your domain, okay, x value. So guys, can I ask you, if you are given this kind of question, Berapa titik kamu akan plot? Bagi tahu saya. Kalau nampak soalan macam ni. How many points you will draw on your graph? Just give me your number. Okay, some more? 3, 5. Okay, some more? 3. Lagi. The rest? How many points will you plot when you draw this graph? Berapa titik kamu akan plot? Okay, very good. Okay, so I think the answer will be 3. Okay, so first one is your y-intercept. Pintasan y kamu kena plot. Second one, x-intercept. Pintasan x kena plot. Third one, you can choose any number in the range. Kamu boleh pilih apa-apa nombor dalam domain. Okay, 0 sampai 6. Kamu pilih satu lagi. Okay, so why we have to choose extra point? So that kita boleh dapat bentuk dia dengan betul. So that we get the V shape. Okay, actually the more points you plot, the better it is. Because you will see the shape clearer. Okay, if you plot less point, harder to see the shape. Lebih sukar nak nampak. Kalau kamu plot, lebih kurang titik. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so basically kamu boleh lukis jadual lah bila plot titik. Tak perlu tunjuk macam ni. Okay, you no need to show like this, guys. Manual like this, no need. Direct tekan calculator saja. Means you draw a table like this. Wait, okay, something like this. And then XY. Okay, kamu isi jadual saja. No need to show all this. This one all no need. Tak perlu. Okay, so yeah. Then finally you will get the graph. Something like this. Okay, so guys, can you see? This is the V-shaped graph. Okay, graph dia berbentuk V. Okay, so you can see two important point over here. Y-intercept, X-intercept. Dua titik. Okay, are you clear, guys? Any question about the graph? Ada apa-apa soalan tentang graph nak tanya kat saya? Graph, you should be able to score. Trust me, guys. Graph sangat senang nak score at maths, especially modulus graph. It's like giving to you free mark, guys. Soalan tu bagi markah percuma kat kamu. You just need to draw a graph only. 3 to 4 mark usually. Okay, so you should be able to score. Okay, so then usually they will follow up. Boleh cuba isi table. Yang mana? Yang ni ke? Yang saya lukis. Kamu boleh isi apa-apa nilai yang kamu suka. X, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, macam tu. Kamu guna persamaan yang diberi lah. Fx sama dengan 2 tolak X. So, X sama dengan 0, Y 2. X sama 1, 1, 0. Negatif 1. Negatif 1 tak boleh. So, 1. Okay, whenever you get negative value, you change to positive. Take the magnitude only. Ambil magnitude dia saja. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so one more thing they'll ask is the range. Julat. Okay guys, how to see the range for this graph? Macam mana nak nampak? Okay, kamu nampak titik paling rendah dan titik paling tinggi. See your lowest point and then see your highest point. Okay, so you can actually read it already. Okay, over here, yes. Okay, so you can see your lowest point is 0, highest point is 4. So your range is this one. Okay, selalu kena tulis dalam bentuk ketak samaan julat kamu. Write your answer in the inequality sign for range. Okay, don't write like this, guys. 0 to 4. No, wrong. You must write in inequality sign for range. Okay, clear for this one? Should be clear, right? Okay, 1. Not bad. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, this one, nothing much. No need. Okay, so next one. I think this year we are coming to the question already. Last part of the notes. Okay, guys. One thing you all must take note over here. Okay, guys. Usually in AdMaths, right? Even in the function topic, you will see equation like this. Kamu nampak fungsi macam ni. So always remember, guys, when you get x square is equal to 16, make sure you give two answer. Kamu kena bagi dua jawapan. X equals to positive negative 4. Selalunya orang lupa yang ni, negatif 4. Don't forget it. Unless the question give you a condition. Kalau soalan bagi syarat macam ni, baru kamu bagi satu jawapan. If question never say this, two answer. Always. Even at maths. Modern maths also same. Okay? So remember this one. Okay. Yeah. That's all. Okay, okay. So are you all clear, guys? So 40 minutes, we already finished, discuss the Form 4 Chapter 1 already, all the basics. Okay, how about coordinate geometry? Sometimes we use square root. Let me think. You mean the distance formula, is it? Rumus jarak. Oh, that one you just square both sides of the equation. Okay, I know what you're talking about. Something like this, right? X squared plus y squared minus 6x. Like this, right? Equal to 5. Am I right? So what you do is you square both sides. That's all. Then you solve. Okay, so you have x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 3 equal 25. Can? You must understand, Nitya, coordinate geometry, we are talking about distance. Can distance be negative or not? Yes or no? Cannot, right? Yeah. So this concept won't apply for certain chapter. Only certain chapter positive, negative can apply. You must see the situation, guys. Kena nampak situasi. Kalau bincang pasal panjang, tak boleh negatif lah. Okay? Other situation can. Alright? Okay. So now we come, guys, to the important part of today's lesson, the questions. Okay. So all the questions over here, I can tell you, is trial questions. Saya ambil dari soalan trial 2024. Okay, so the question are up to date lah. Okay, very new, very fresh. Okay, so guys, okay, so first question, they give you something like this. Okay, so you can see the trend already lah, guys. Okay, sometimes you suddenly see like this. Okay, I know your first feeling. Bila nampak soalan macam ni, terus panic. Betul? When you see this kind of question, you don't know what's happening already. Am I right, guys? Is this your feeling? Can you comment to me now? You will feel like that, right? Rasa macam tu? No. Okay, if you say no means you're very good lah. Okay, for those who say yes, normal. Sangat biasa situasi ini. A lot of people will experience. Okay, so basically you must understand what the question is telling you. Apa soalan nak bagi tahu? Okay, guys, what does this symbol mean? Oh, range is not that hard. I think there are much harder parts. So what does this mean, guys? Yes, inverse means what, guys? You just need to inverse this function lah. Okay, kamu songsangkan fungsi ni saja. Okay, so you're using the same step only as before. Okay, so yeah, so you can, let me see. Okay, so first step, maybe you can expand first. Yeah. Okay, so you get negative 6 plus 2 over x. Okay, so this one is your g and x. Okay, so what is the first step, guys? We always do inverse function assumption. Kita buat apa? Tadi saya bawa aja. First step, we usually do what? Okay, your step also can lah. Let y also can. Or I will do something like this. Let g inverse nx equal to y. Okay, and then you will get x equal to g and y. Okay, g inverse, bring this side, you will get gn. Okay, so g and y, kamu tukar x kepada y. Okay, that's all. Then you rearrange y in term of x. Kamu susun persamaan y dalam sebutan x. Okay, so you are going to get, okay, so over here they never show the step lah. But if you show the step properly, you will get this as the answer. Okay, can you see, guys? They express y in term of x. Mereka ungkapkan y dalam sebutan x. Wow, how do you know, Nitya? Correct. This is actually Kelantan 2024 paper. Correct. Not bad, are you? Means you got try the question already. Kalau sesiapa boleh identify kan, soalan ni datang dari negeri mana, maksudnya kamu dah betul-betul buat dah. If anyone of you see this question and like don't know, never see this question before, means that you never do the trial question yet. Okay? So yeah. Okay, guys. So when you reach this part, right? Okay. I know a lot of you will do a mistake over here. You will not write this. Am I right, guys? Kamu semua takkan tulis yang ni. Betul? Honestly lah. Yes or no? You won't write that part, right? Betul. Okay? But I advise you, always write this down. Selalu tulis yang ni. Okay? When must we write this, guys? Bila kita kena tulis yang ni? Bila nampak rule of x kat bawah pecahan. Whenever you see an x at the bottom of the fraction, remember to write this condition. Okay, kenapa kena bagi syarat macam ni? Why must I give this condition? Anyone know? What is the reason? Can anyone explain? Why x cannot equal to -6? Kenapa x tak boleh sama dengan -6? Very good. Okay, so that you don't get math error. Betul. Okay, because x -6, 2/0. Kamu dapat apa guys? Infinity or undefined. Tak ada penyelesaian. Okay, so the function cannot exist. Okay, fungsi tak akan wujud. Okay, so that's why you must always write this. Selalu tulis yang ni. Make it as your habit. Okay, kena jadi amalan kamu bila buat bab ni. Okay, so can you see guys how they give the mark? So 2 marks this question. When you reach this part, you already get 1 mark. Okay, so the second mark, working. Okay, wait. You just basically continue from here only. Okay, you just need to rearrange only. Okay, so x equal to 2/y plus 6. Okay, so you express y in terms of x. Okay, so you will get 2/y equal to x minus 6. Y is equal to 2/x minus 6. Do you get it? Yeah, it's the same. Can you see, guys? Hey, wait, guys. Y got plus. Let me see. Did I make a mistake? 2/y equal x minus 6. Hey, did I write wrongly? 6. Oh, sorry, guys. Careless mistake. Okay, this one is -6. Sorry. Okay, -6 plus 2/x. Okay, so you will get 2/x, 2/y minus 6. This is minus, guys. Sorry. Okay, so 2/y equal to x plus 6. This is plus 6. Okay, so can you see, guys? The answer is the same. Jawapan sama. Clear, guys? Can you all get it? Also, guys, at maths, please be careful with your careless mistake. Jangan buat kesilapan cuai. Because sangat sakit. Bila at maths satu kesilapan cuai ke atas, sometimes the whole question habis. You won't get mark. Walaupun kamu tahu konsep dia, kamu akan hilang semua markah. Because wrong already. First part wrong, second part wrong, third part wrong. Okay, so be careful with the careless mistake. Okay. Okay, so this one, right, guys, the second mark, markah kedua, it include, you write this, you know, guys, dia termasuk kamu tulis yang ni. So, kalau kamu tak tulis yang ni, kamu hanya dapat 1 markah. You only get 1 mark out of 2. Okay, guys, if the examiner is strict, kalau pemeriksa dia tegas, akan jadi macam ni. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so we look at the next question. Okay, Nitya, your favorite question, range, Julat. Okay, now you have to understand the range. Okay, so they ask you the range. So on A and C I did. Very easy lah. You listen to me carefully. Sure can answer one. Okay, guys. They ask you the range. If x greater than or equal to 5. So what can you do, guys? Okay, so just now you expand already, right? This is your function. Okay, so they ask you x greater than or equal to 5. First step, guys, what should I do? Kena buat apa? Kalau nak cari julat, if you see this kind of question, what do you think you should do? Anyone? Kena buat apa dulu? No need. We are not drawing graph, guys. Kita tak lukis graph. Kita nak tahu julat. Yes, Daman, substitute the x. Guys, whenever you see they give you a value, straight away sub inside here. Get the value first. Because this value is your fx or gnx, okay, which is your range. Okay, so you can sub and press calculator first. Okay, so you will get, I think around negative value, I think, if not mistaken, 0.4, yeah, negative 5.6. Okay, you will get this answer when sub. Okay, so now, how to know what is the inequality sign? Macam mana tahu simbol ketaksamaan? Okay, so range, you must always have inequality sign, simbol ketaksamaan. Okay, so for those who say graph, yes, you can try it out, no problem. Okay, but if you see here, right, guys, is there any limit or not to my domain? Adakah ada had tak kat domain saya? Kalau kamu nampak, is there any limit? No. means what, guys? Means phi until infinity. Betul? Means my x value can take 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 until infinity. They never say any limit. Tak ada had. Okay? So guys, if you can go until infinity, can anyone tell me what will be my fx? What will be the answer? If x equal to infinity, fx, guys, totally fx, you will get what? Based on this equation, 2 over x minus 6. Be careful, guys. It's not 0. Yes, it's negative 6, guys. Okay, so why? 2 over infinity minus 6. 2 over infinity is what, guys? 0 minus 6. So answer is negative 6. Okay, you must always remember when infinity is at the bottom, this answer, jawapan ni akan menghampiri kosong. Okay, the value of 2 over infinity will approach 0. Okay, but we assume it to be 0. Okay, because we don't know what is this exact value. Kita tak tahu nilai sebenar. So we assume as 0 already. Okay, then just 0 minus 6 equal to negative 6. Okay, all right. Okay, so over here, let me see. Okay, so 2 over 11. Let me see, guys. 2 over 11. Okay. They want you to find the range. So x greater than or equal to 5. 2 minus 6y over y. Okay. So you have earlier this function, right, guys? 2 over x minus 6. Okay, so you make the denominator same first. Okay, bagi penyebut pecahan sama. Okay, so you will get something like this. 2 minus 6x over x. Okay, so you can change to y also if you want. Okay, so why we change to y, guys? Kenapa kita tukar jadi y? Because we are finding the range. Kita tengah cari julat sekarang. Okay, so that's why I change it to y. Okay, so x just change to y. Okay, and then you follow greater than or equal to 5. Because soalan bagi x lebih besar atau sama dengan 5. Okay, so then you just need to solve this inequality only. Okay, kamu selesaikan ketaksaman ni saja. Then you will get the answer. Less than or equal to 2 over 11. Do you all understand, guys? Boleh dapat? Clear? So it's just like this only. So you will get less than or equal to 2 over 11. Okay, so why is it like this? If you all understand more about this graph, this is what we call as reciprocal graph. Okay, in BM, I think is, let me think and see, fungsi songsangan kot. Okay, so reciprocal graph, generally the shape is like this, guys. Generally, secara am. So guys, you imagine and see, x 5, let's say 5 is here, greater than or equal to 5. Can you see, guys? The value over here is decreasing. Am I right? Nilai kamu tengah berkurang sekarang. So that's why your range sign, simbol adalah lebih kecil atau sama dengan nilai ni. Okay, it's very close to 0 already. 2 over 11, you can press calculator, is 0.18, which is very close to 0 already. Sangat dekat dengan kosong. Okay, so it's based on the shape of the graph actually. Okay, it's nearing to 0, but usually it doesn't touch 0. Okay, biasanya dia tak sentuh kosong. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer for B. Okay, guys, are you all clear? 1 or 2 for question B? Can I continue to see? Where got 11? Wait, you solve the inequality, Damien, this inequality over here. 2 minus 6y greater than or equal to 5y. Negative 6y, you bring right hand side, 11y. Okay, so that's how you get the answer. Okay, just cross multiply only. Guys, whenever you see inequality like this, you can cross multiply one. No worries. Okay, just treat it like equal. Same concept. Kamu boleh guna kaedah silang pangkah untuk ketaksamaan pun. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so next one, part C. Okay, so they give a complex equation over here. Okay, never mind. They ask you to find the value of x. Okay, so g and x. Okay, so this one, minus 2, they say is equal to H inverse 3 over 2. Okay guys, when you see this kind of question, bila nampak soal macam ni, rasa susah kan? Look like very hard. Am I right? Who feel hard over here? Siapa rasa macam susah when you see this kind of question? Don't worry. Very simple only, guys. Okay, guys, can you all tell me? This one represent what? What term? Whenever you see anything inside the bracket, apa-apa dalam kurungan tu mewakili image atau object? Yes, X, object. Means that you must substitute this X inside your function on top. You sub over here, count the value, cari nilai sahaja. You already get the right hand side. Okay, so left hand side, you just need to take G and X minus 2. Okay, means that your function, this one, on top here, you minus 2. Equal to each other. Samakan. Lepas tu cari X sahaja. Easy, right guys? Sangat senang. Okay, so your equation will be negative 6 plus 2 over X minus 2 equal to 4 minus 2 over 3 and then 3 over 2. Okay, so you just solve this equation for X. Selesaikan. Okay guys, this kind of equation at maths, I think should be no problem, right? For you, very simple, right? This kind of level for at maths. Okay, so kamu sepatutnya dapat jawapan betul lah. Okay, so your answer should get X equal to 2 over 11. Okay, so basically when you calculate the value of 3, you already get 1 mark. Okay, bila dapat yang ni. And then final answer, you get another mark, 2 mark. Okay, are you all right, guys? So this is the trial Kelantan question. So now I ask you all, 6 mark, boleh dapat tak guys? 6 markah ni, yes or no? Are you confident of scoring 6 mark here? Can, right? Not that difficult, right? Yes, that's the spirit. Okay, so yeah. Okay, we go to the next trial question. Okay, so next one, I don't know which state. Maybe anyone got tried before, you all might know. Okay, this first question, right, guys? Oh, a lot of people talk about this question. Have you all seen this, guys? I think I got share in the group also for you all to try, right? Yes, paper 2 Kelantan, correct. Okay, this is a lot of people think about this question lah because it's a very rare question. Banyak orang tak nampak yang ni. Okay, so they give you F inverse 2x and they want you to find fx. Okay, so it's very different, the question. Usually they give you F inverse x, find fx. Am I right, guys? Kamu semua biasa buat yang ni. Betul? Tak biasa buat yang ni. Correct? But actually, it's the same concept only. Konsep sama sahaja. Tak kira apa kuasa dia, no matter what the power, you use the same concept one. Okay? Exactly the same inverse concept. Because you must understand, right, guys? Inverse function does not mean F inverse only. Okay, F songsang bukan maksudnya F kuasa negatif 1. Dia boleh bawa maksud F kuasa negatif 2, negatif 3, negatif 4, until infinity. Okay, so you must treat inverse function as any number, any power on top, not only negative 1 as a power. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so guys, when you see this, you can convert it to a normal function. Am I right? Okay, so I saw the step lah for you, since I assume we all are beginner here. Okay, so you have something like this, right? F inverse 2x equal to x minus 8 over 9. Okay, guys, first step, what do we do usually in the normal inverse function? Fungsi songsang biasa. What I taught just now, apa yang saya ajar. Usually I will do like this, right? Let me think and see. Y equal to F negative 2x. Okay, yes, can also. Depend on your preference lah. Okay, anything also can actually. Okay, but now we are doing the reverse process. Okay, kita tengah buat proses terbalik. Okay, so you must switch the thinking. Okay, means that you start from the Y, go back to find the X. Okay, so maksudnya kamu akan katakan Y sama dengan X tolak 8 bahagi 9. Okay, so Y equal to X minus 8 over 9. Okay, so now you find your X, guys. Cari X. So you will get X is 9Y plus 8. Am I right, guys? So x over here in this case is f square x. Okay, so x on left hand side, right hand side, I also change to x. Wait, guys, the tablet a bit sensitive. Okay, so you will get 9x plus 8. Boleh faham, guys? So do you all understand how they get? F square x is 9x plus 8. Clear? So once you find this, you get 1 mark already. Okay, now our goal is to find fx. Okay, guys, very simple, right? You got f square x already. Can I find fx? Sure can. Okay, because f square x is ffx. Okay, so yeah, then you can get the answer already. Okay, so basically you have to do an assumption. Okay, so guys, how to make the assumption over here? If you notice the pattern of the answer on your left hand side, kamu lihat pola jawapan kamu kat belah kanan. What is the pattern, guys? Yes, the pattern is ax plus b. Okay, can y equal mx plus c pun betul. Okay, but we need to change the constant to a variable. Kita tukar pemboleh ubah tu, kita tukar pemala tu kepada pemboleh ubah macam A dan B. Okay, means that I assume 9 is A, B is 8. Okay, so fx equal to ax plus b. That is my assumption. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, so f square x, you just substitute ax plus b. Okay, kamu kena gantikan ax tambah b kat dalam x kat sini. Do you all understand this, guys? 1 or 2? Because f square x means that you put fx inside the x term. Kamu gantikan fx dalam x sahaja. Okay, so you will get this answer over here. Jawapan ni. A square x plus plus ab plus b. Okay, are you all clear, guys? 1 or 2? 1 or 2, so long never see Yadi. Can, huh? Okay, very good. Okay, so now you have a format something like this, correct? So now you can compare to the right hand side, 9x plus 8. Okay, so guys, what is your A value based on the comparison? Apa nilai A? Careful lah, over here is A square. Okay, some more? Is it only one answer? Adakah satu jawapan saja? Yes, 3 and also negative 3. Dua-dua pun boleh. Setakat ni lah. Until here is two value. Okay, what is your B value, guys? Nilai B, you can solve this equation. AB tambah B sama dengan 8. Okay, so you will get B equal to, let me see, positive 2 and negative 4. Okay, so basically when A is 3, you will get B equal to 2. And then second, kita ada dua set jawapan guys sekarang. So you will have something like this. B equal to negative 4. Boleh faham, guys? So you must first write two answer. Kamu kena tulis dua jawapan dulu. Okay, then you read back the question. Tengok soalan bagi apa-apa syarat tak? Okay. So guys, they actually give you a hint over here. Can you see, guys? Means that you must test and see. Kamu kena uji. Okay, means that you substitute x is 1 into both of these function. Okay, first function, guys. You substitute x is 1. What do you get? Apa nilai kamu? You will get 5. Am I right? Yes. Second one, what will be your answer? Gantikan satu kat dalam. Yes, negative 7. Okay, guys, which one satisfy the question? Yang mana patoi soalan? First one or second one? Yes. Okay, yang kedua sahaja betul. Okay, so that's why our answer is fx is negative 3x minus 4. Okay, guys, I know got form 4 also join here. When you see this kind of question, you might be a bit worried because you never try trial question yet. Am I right, guys? The form 4, because you all study for form 4 final exam only. Am I right? Okay, untuk tingkatan 4. So don't worry, because you all still got time to practice all this. More focus now for me is the form 5. Because you all must know how to do this kind of question already. 2 more months is SPM already. Okay, so you must really focus and grasp all the concept. Okay, then only kamu boleh buat dalam SPM. Okay, so Form 4 still got time. No problem. If you never see this kind of question, it's okay. Okay, you can learn also now. Okay, all right. So we go to the next one. Okay, so you have something like this. Okay, this question also a bit special. Okay, guys, can you see B1? They ask you to find GX. Okay, how to do this, guys? Macam mana buat? You are given this one, they ask you to find GX. So how? What is the process? Can anyone give me some suggestion? Very simple, guys. Sangat senang. You will think difficult. Kamu fikir saja susah, but actually it's easy. Can you explain a bit more? I don't understand. Which equation I sub? Okay, guys. Basically, when you see like this, right? First step, what you do is you let y equal to 3x minus 1. Do that first. Buat yang tu dulu. Okay, why? Because I can change it to gy. Because I already make the assumption. Saya boleh tukar macam ni. Can you all see, guys? Cannot. You cannot assume like that. Wrong concept. Okay, you see here, Daman. So you assume the 3x minus 1 is y. Okay, so now I want to find the x. Saya cari x. Kenapa saya cari x? Because I want to substitute the x over here in term of y. Saya nak gantikan dalam sebutan y. Okay, because I have gy currently. Means that my right hand side must be y also. Am I right? So you will get x equal to y plus 1 over 3. So kamu gantikan yang ni kat sini. Substitute in the x term. Gantikan dalam sebutan x. Okay? Are you clear, guys? Then you just do the algebra. Okay, then you can get the answer already. Okay, so this one will be your answer over here. Can you see, guys? So you should get the final answer 5x plus 26 over 3. Okay, this one got 2 mark, 2 markah. So make sure you show the substitution. Bila tunjuk penggantian ada 1 markah. This substitution over here. Okay, and then final answer 1 mark. Okay, guys, are you clear? B1, 1 atau 2? 1 or 2? 1. Guys, is it you all really focusing on the lesson? I see you guys come more and more quiet already. Lebih sunyi dah. Focusing or give up? Got only 2 situations I can think of now. Focusing, hopefully it's focusing. Okay, next one. Express, really focus. Good. Okay, so now they ask you to express. Okay, whenever come this kind of question, confused, which part? Can you tell me? Apa confused? B1. Guys, whoever confused, you must tell which part you confused. That's why I say the numbering system very important. 1, understand. 2, don't understand. As long as you don't understand anything, you straight away type 2 to me. Jangan tunggu. You straight away type 2. Okay? So now, number 2, they ask you to express P in terms of Q. Okay, so you have something like this. Okay, guys, can I ask you, P plus 1 equal to what? P tambah 1 ni sama dengan apa? What term? X or Y? What do you think? Yes. Okay, X. Because you have GX. Okay, so X equal to P plus 1. This is the information we have now. Okay, so you just need to substitute. Gantikan X equal P plus 1 over here. Okay, so you will get this one. 5P plus 1 plus 26 over 3. P plus 1 masuk sini. Okay, and then right hand side, let me see. Yeah, salin saja. 2Q minus 3. Okay, so now algebra. Guys, any one of you over here, you can get this, but don't know how to proceed. Anyone over here like this? Siapa boleh dapat langkah ni, tapi dari sini tak tahu macam mana nak buat? Anyone? Siapa kat sini ada masalah macam ni? Kamu boleh dapat baris pertama, tetapi kat bawah tak boleh. Anyone? Hopefully not lah. Because those who take AdMaths, right, you must know how to do all this already. This is basic algebra. Okay, algebra asas. So, cikgu takkan ajar semua ni dah. Am I right? Your teacher will just tell you this part. This part, you must know how to get. Kamu kena tahu macam mana buat. Okay, so express P in term of Q mean that left hand side all P, right hand side all Q. Okay, that's the meaning of ungkapkan P dalam sebutan Q. Okay, so basically is you just cross multiply only. Silang pangkah. Okay, and then you do the algebra. Don't do careless mistake lah. Jangan buat kesilapan cuai. Okay guys, are you confident of 8 marks? 8 markah guys. Kertas 2. Can you all get it? After I explain? Can Okay, very good. Next trial. Okay, so we finished Kelantan already. Now we go to the next state. I don't know which state. Anyone who know which state is this, maybe you can comment for me. Okay. Okay, so modulus graph, absolute value. Okay, fungsi mutlak. Okay, so they ask you to find the image of -1 and 6. Okay, guys, can I ask you, -1 and 6, what do we call this? Kita panggil dua ni apa? Do we call it as image or object? Yes. Don't get confused, guys, with the sentence, because they ask you to find the image. Cari image. Maksudnya dua ni adalah objek. Okay? Oh, Selangor. Okay, interesting. Set one. Okay. So anyone buat soalan ni dalam exam percubaan kamu? For those from Selangor? Oh, you did lah this exact question. Same guys. Okay, same means you can check your answer, I think. Kamu boleh semak jawapan sekarang. Okay, so yeah, so basically you can just substitute lah. Okay, gantikan sahaja. Okay, so your A, very simple. You just substitute and then kira your jawapan. Okay, so make sure when you get -5, you must write positive because modulus. Okay, so 2 mark. Okay, second one. Guys, sketching guys. 4 mark 4 markah. Laka graph. Okay, guys. So when you see like this, first step, draw the table, lukis jadual. Okay, so you can, let me see. Okay, so you find your x-intercept, y-intercept. Cari pintasan x, pintasan y. Okay, and then, wait guys, it skip buddy. Okay, and then you can choose any x value that you like. Kamu boleh pilih mana-mana nilai x yang kamu suka. Okay, let's say x is -1, x is 6. Kamu boleh pilih macam ni. Just choose any value. Okay, then you just need to plot the graph only. Okay, let me see. Okay guys, over here, do you all know why we have negative region? Kenapa ada kawasan negatif? Bagi jawapan ni. Siapa boleh terangkan? Why do we have a negative region here? Anyone? Based on the equation. Why do you all think got negative? Okay, Ken. Yes, but the main answer is because there is no modulus, guys. Kamu tak nampak simbol modulus kan kat sini? Okay, there is no modulus sign. So means that you can have negative answer. Okay, negative y value. Nilai y yang negatif. Okay, so that's why your graph dia boleh ke bawah. Okay, so you just need to plot some point. Okay, so 1 point over here, 2 point, 3 point. Okay, so 3 point also enough already. 3 pun cukup. Okay, if you want your answer to be more perfect, nak jawapan lebih bagus, kamu cari nilai titik ni juga. X-intercept, pintasan X. You can label this value also if you want. Okay, so you just need to substitute y is 0, gantikan y sama dengan kosong, cari nilai X in this function. Okay, are you all clear guys? Boleh dapat? Hopefully you all can get it. Okay, very good. Okay, so you just need to plot. Okay, so how to score? Okay, so first thing they will check, you show your V shape. Kamu kena tunjuk bentuk V. Okay, then you get 1 mark. Second mark, they check the point. Okay, tengok titik kamu. Adakah kamu label semua titik dan plot dengan betul. Okay, if you plot everything correct, you get second mark. Okay, sorry, this one only 2 mark, not 4 mark. Okay, 2 markah sahaja. Okay, guys, are you all clear? Okay, second thing, Do I need to be accurate with the scale? Perlu tak saya consider skala dia berapa? Yes or no? Okay, very good. The answer is no. You no need to look at scale, guys. Why no need to look at scale? Very good. Sketch, guys. Lakakan. Lakakan means skala tak penting. Okay? Always remember this. Yes. If they say draw, lukis skala penting ke tak? Draw the graph. Is the scale important? Yes, no? Some more? Yes, important, guys. Draw and plot is same meaning. Yes, the scala is important. Sketch, only scala not important. Okay? So, yeah, you don't need to measure with ruler. Just agak-agak only. As long as it's reasonable, munasabah, kat mana kamu letak titik tu, betul jawapan kamu. Okay? So, yeah. Okay, so we look at question B. Okay, so now they come out with, okay, this one is a typical question. Pernah nampak soalan macam ni tak, guys? I think you all have seen, right? This kind of question. HKX, HX, find KX. Very common, sangat biasa. Okay, guys. So, usually, the step I use is like this. Okay, biasanya saya akan buat macam ni. Okay, so they ask you to find KX, right? Oh, exact same question, is it? Daman, cannot be exact lah. I think something like it. Okay, about that. Okay, all right, guys. So which function come first? Fungsi mana datang dulu, guys? H or K? Recall. H or K? Yes. K first, then H. Okay, means that you substitute K inside the X term. Kamu gantikan fungsi K dalam, mistake over here. Dalam ungkapan X. Okay, so you will get 2 over Kx minus 3 equal to 3x plus 5. Boleh faham, guys? You will get something like this. Okay, so you must solve for Kx. Kamu kena cari yang ni. So guys, this equation, can you solve it? Boleh selesaikan kan? Sangat mudah. Okay, very simple. Okay, so your final answer, you will get this one. Okay, something like this. Okay, so total you have 4 mark. Okay, 4 markah. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so you can cross multiply. Silang pangkal 2 marks in this question for not informing. Guys, can you see? Just now only I emphasized the point. Why is this one so important? Okay, you can refer to Raja Sekhar's answer. Okay, comment. 2 marks he lose because of not informing the X. Okay, so why you lose 2 marks? Because of this N1, N1. Means that if you don't write one part of it, you will lose both. Although your answer is correct. So in the end, you only get 2 out of 4 mark. 2 daripada 4 saja. Okay, guys? So always remember when you got fraction, you see the X, remember to write the condition. Tulis syarat dia. Okay? Are you clear, guys, with this question? Can you score 8 marks? Boleh score 8 markah? Senang kan? Very easy, right? Yes. That's why I tell you guys, NMATS is easy one. Tak susah pun. It's just the perception that is very hard. Actually not hard one. Okay? Yeah. Okay, guys. So now we see this question. This question also Selangor. I think should be Selangor. Set yang lain kot. Okay, maybe this one is your set. Paper 2. Okay. All right, guys. So they ask you to give justification for evidence of F inverse. Okay, guys. So how to justify this? This one is fact question, soalan fakta. So the answer you memang must know. So how to justify this, guys? They have fx. They tell you it got inverse function. So means that you must tell why got inverse function. Kenapa fungsi songsang wujud? Apa sebab dia? Yes, one-to-one function, guys. Very good. Always remember this. Only one-to-one function has inverse function. Hanya fungsi 1/1 ada fungsi songsang. Okay? Not the square root. Bukan sebab punca kuasa. Okay? You must say it's one-to-one function. Okay? 1/1. Okay? All right. So second part, they ask you to determine f inverse x. Okay, guys, f inverse x at this point, you should be able to do, right? Proses dia berulang sahaja. It just repeat. Okay, so first step, f inverse x is y, x is fy, and then you substitute the y. Negative square root 2y minus 9. Okay, so then you express y in term of x. Ungkapkan yang ni y dalam sebutan x. Okay, so you can square both side. Punca kuasa 2, dua-dua belah persamaan. Okay, so you get something like this. And then you find the y. Okay, so you will get this answer. Okay, x squared plus 9 over 2. And then the domain. Okay, domain, guys. How do we find the domain? Can anyone tell me? Macam mana cari domain bagi fungsi songsang? Anyone? This one is an important concept also over here. Concept penting. So how? Domain of the inverse function is equal to what? Can you all tell me? No. Domain fungsi songsang sama dengan apa, guys? Kamu pernah belajar yang ni. 3 times 2 over y. Where you get the 3? Where is the 3? I don't understand. Okay, guys. Very simple only the concept. Guys, fx and f inverse x, you must understand it is a reflection. Am I right? Reflection. What is the line, guys? It reflect. Dia pantul pada garis apa? Can you all tell me? If you still remember, what is the line it reflect? Paksi pantulan persamaan dia apa? Oh, not yet. Yes, y equal to x. Okay, guys. So means that the domain for the inverse function is the range for the normal function. Okay. Domain bagi fungsi songsang adalah julat bagi fungsi biasa. So guys, I must find the julat of this function. Find the range. So how to find the range? Substitute x equal to 9 over 2. So guys, what you get? 0, right? Kamu dapat kosong kan? Bila gantikan x sama dengan 9/2. So means that fx is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so why greater? Okay, this one you must understand the shape of the graph. Okay, guys, square root graph. Do you all know how it looks like? Siapa tahu macam mana bentuk graph punca kuasa 2? Anyone? Can you all describe to me how a square root graph look like? Without plotting any point. Tanpa plot sebarang point. Anyone? Hello? 53 human being over here. Kenapa jadi sangat senyap? How to plot a square root graph? Macam mana nak plot graph punca kuasa 2? Or tell me the shape. Huraikan bentuk dia kat saya. Describe the shape of a square root graph. Very good. I like the answer. Correct, guys. This is your square root graph. Your rate of reaction graph. Okay, something like this. Okay, guys. You all learn in chemistry, right? Kimia. Kadar tindak balas punya graph. Nampak macam ni kan? Like this. This is what we call as square root graph. Okay. So, x 9 over 2. Let's say 9/2 kat sini lah. Lebih besar dari 9/2. Tengok nilai y, guys. Can you see a y value? Dia lebih besar. Semakin lebih besar. Okay, keep on getting bigger and bigger. So that's why lebih besar atau sama dengan kosong. Okay? Are you all clear, guys? So this is your answer. Okay, so the range of the normal function is greater than or equal to 0. So the domain of the inverse function also the same lah. Okay, domain akan ikut range. Okay, antara fungsi songsang dan fungsi biasa. Can you all get it, guys? Do you all understand why the answer is this one? Clear? 1 or 2? So long I never see the number already. 1 atau 2? All the 51 people here? 1 or 2? Okay, very good. 1. If got 2, please tell. Jangan senyap kat situ saja. Okay, alright. So now we come to the killer question. Okay, which is question B2. Okay, never mind. We look at B1 first. Okay, Gx, very simple. Okay, so you can find Gx. Okay, so basically fx is 2 over x equal to 3x. Okay, guys. So what I do always is let y equal to 2 over x. Okay, so that I can change it to gy. Okay, so you'll get gy. Okay, and x is equal to 2 over y. Okay, so you will get 6 over y finally. Okay, 6 bahagi y. Okay, so gx should equal to 6x. Sorry, 6 over x. Okay? Okay, guys. Do you all remember this? To write in exam? Kena tulis, x tak boleh sama dengan kosong. Okay, because you see a x over here. Again, ayo, so sad lah for you. Very simple thing only, but it's, 1 mark. Okay, so you'll lose 1 mark. Okay, so make sure you all write the thing. Okay, so next one, part 2, guys. Part 2 is where a lot of people panic. Okay. G power 2n plus 1x. How to do this, guys? You have gx equal to, what's the answer? 6 over x. How to solve this, guys? Anyone? Give me the idea if you have done before. Kalau kamu pernah cuba soalan ni, pasti kamu boleh bagi tahu jawapan. If you try this one, you definitely know already. Go do g square first, okay? Then find g square. Very good lah. Correct. Yes. Means you all got tried the question already before. Correct. Okay, so the answer is something like this. Wait, let me see. Where did it go already? Wait, guys. Okay, over here. Okay, guys. So you can find out g square, g cube, and g4. Okay, so why do we do this, guys? Basically, is we want to find out the pattern of the function. Okay, because gx is 6 over x, so I can find g square. G square mean what, guys? 2 times the g function. 2 kali fungsi g. Okay, means that 6 over x, I substitute inside the x term again. So you will get 6 over x. 6 over x, I put inside the x term. That's why I get g square. Okay, so when you expand, you will get x. Okay, final answer you will get is x. Okay, so can you see, guys? There is a certain pattern over here, you know. Ada satu pola. When g square, g4, my answer is x. When g cube, my answer is 6 over x. Can you see this, guys? Means that for even number, nombor genap, kamu akan dapat x. Very good. Kalau nombor ganjil, kamu dapat 6 bahagi x. So this is the pattern, pola dia. Okay, now guys, 2n plus 1. Can anyone tell me, how do we do this? Will my answer be odd or even? Can you all tell me? Adakah jawapan saya untuk ungkapan ni akan genap atau ganjil? Yes. Okay, how you all know it's odd? Because of the plus 1. Guys, whenever you see plus 1 at the end, no matter what is your n value, tak kira apa nilai n kamu, jawapan kamu pasti adalah ganjil. You can substitute n is 10,000. Okay, you substitute n is 10,000, your answer is 20001. Odd number, nombor ganjil. Because of the plus 1, tambah 1 ke akhir. Okay, so guys, you can already predict your answer. You should get 6 over x. Senang tak, guys? The question look like very difficult, right? G power 2n plus 1x. Betul? Nampak susah kan? But the answer is this one only. Settle. Clear or not, guys? 1 or 2? Can you all get? Means this type of question come out in exam, you all should be able to do already. They can change however the question, but the concept is like this. Okay, kamu kena cari pola. Usually you do 3, lebih 3 adalah cukup. Maksudnya kamu henti kat kuasa 4. You stop at power 4. 5, 6, 7, no need to do already. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so clear? For this question, I think is how many mark? 4 mark plus 7 mark. Can you all score, guys? 7 marks. Quite a lot also. Except the last question, I think you all should be able to score 5 mark at least. Okay, 5 marker. All right. Okay, next one, guys. Still got time. Okay, so we look at this. Wait. Okay, never mind. This one I skip because it's similar. Okay, kita buat tadi dah. It's actually a repetition question. We see another type. Okay, because this one we discussed already. Okay, we look at this question. Wait, guys. Okay, this one we discussed already. Okay, this type we discussed. Let me find a new type of question. Okay, we see this one, guys. New type of question. Okay, so you have hx equal to this and gx equal to this. Okay, so can you all find GHX? Can, right? Senang kan? GHX. So which one come first? Mana datang dulu? H or G? Yes, H come first, then G. Okay, means that this one, 2x minus 1, you substitute inside the x term. Okay, ganti dalam ungkapan x bagi fungsi G. Okay, so you will get something like this. So final answer, negative 8x tambah 6. Okay, 2 marks. Okay, second part, GHX over 2. So guys, this one is what? X per 2 ni mewakili apa? What does it represent? Very good. X. Okay, so basically, you just substitute x over 2 inside the x. Okay, gantikan saja. And then equal to 2. So your answer is x equal to 1. Okay, 2 markah. Senang tak guys? Easy, right? This one is trial 2024 question, you know. Don't play from one of the state. I think it's Negeri Sembilan or something, if not mistaken. Okay, so yeah. Okay, we do one more question lah. Then we end for today. Okay, we talk about this graph. Okay, this question a bit interesting. Okay, something different. Okay, guys. So they give you a graph of fx. Mereka bagi graph fx. Yeah. Okay, and then they ask you to find, draw f inverse x. Okay, guys. How do I draw f inverse x? Macam mana saya nak lukis graph f songsang x? What do you all think? Very good. The point is, you must draw the line y equal to x. Okay, lukis garis ni dulu. Wait, guys. You draw this line first, then you reflect. Okay, so guys, when you reflect the graph, can you all tell me one point on the f inverse x graph? Bagi saya satu titik atas graph fungsi songsang. 1 point only enough. Anyone? When you reflect this graph, what is the 1 point on the reflected graph that you have? 2, -4? Okay, let me see. 2, -4. 4, 4. Okay, yes. Can, very good, correct? Yes. The f inverse x will have the 4, 4. Yes. Selalu ingat guys, fungsi songsang dan fungsi biasa adalah pantulan pada garis f y sama dengan x. They will intersect at 4, 4. Do you know why, guys? Because at 4, 4, x is 4, y is 4. So means that y is equal to x. Betul kan? This is the concept. And you know that y is f inverse x. Y is also equal to fx. Betul tak guys? So fx sama dengan f songsang x sama dengan x. This is the concept. Sama dengan 4. So I relate everything over here. Okay, y can be fx, y can also be f inverse x. All will give the answer of 4. Okay, so your graph will look something like this. Make sure to draw with ruler. Okay, kena lukis dengan pembaris. Alright, so this is your intersection. Okay, your graph. So basically, 2 marks. Okay, so you need to draw the line. Kena lukis garis ni ya guys. Dan label. You must label this line. Okay, and then you draw your f songsang and label the point of intersection. Titik persilangan. 4, 4. Okay, clear guys? 1 or 2? Hopefully you all not sleeping yet, Belum tidur kan? Very good. Okay. Oh, sorry, the part 2 was the marking the point. Okay, so we done the part 2. Okay, we do this last 2, then we end lah for today. The rest of the question, actually you all can go through also. We discussed quite a lot already today. Oh, sorry, only 2 more pages. I thought got extra 11 pages. 2 more extra question only. You all can go through. Okay, so we see this one. Okay, so they give you a function Qn. Okay, this one is daily life application question, guys. Function like to ask this. Soalan aplikasi harian means that this is kebat. Okay, so they give you two function over here, Qn and RQ. Okay, so the question is cari bilangan pekerja untuk menghasilkan 500 bungkus. Okay, so means that what must you find here, guys? Kamu kena cari simbol apa in question 1? Yes, and the other point is 0, -4. No, 0, -2. Because your original graph is 0, 2. So reflect, you get, wait, guys. Wait, let me see. Sorry. I confused already. Sorry, guys. Just now my thinking wrong. Okay, basically, if the original 0, 2, when reflect, it'll become 2, 0. So my graph should go at this point actually. Sorry, guys. Tadi saya confused. Okay, thank you for Raj for correcting me. Okay, the graph should go like this. Okay, through the 2, 0. Okay, so you must just switch the x and y coordinate. Kamu tukar kedudukan x dan y saja. 02 asal, songsang 20. Kalau 11 asal, dia maintain lah 11 songsang. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this one you must find the n. Kena cari nilai n. Okay, guys. So which function are you going to use over here? Fungsi mana? They want to produce 500 packet of sambal. Okay, let me see. Q, yes. Very good. Correct. So means that 500 equal to what, guys? 500 ni sama dengan apa? N or Qn? Which one? Yes, is your image. Okay, Qn. So kamu kena selesaikan untuk N saja. Okay, so you just let it equal to 500 and then you solve for N. Okay, here guys, can I ask you all? Can n be -10? Jawapan ni boleh tak? Because kamu ada kuasa 2. You have a square. Very good. Why cannot? Kenapa tak boleh? Very good. Number of worker can only be positive. Okay, because quantity and person. Okay, if anyone put n is -10, I don't know how to interpret lah. You all try to interpret for me lah. What is the meaning of -10 workers? Just put reject. Yes, you can actually write n is -10, but you write at the bottom there rejected or diabaikan in Malay. Okay, just to show that you understand. If n square is 100, n can be 10 or -10, but reject based on the situation. Okay, all right, last question, guys. Minimum number of worker if they want to make this profit. Okay, so what function are we using here? Is it a normal function? Adakah ini fungsi biasa? Or what? Now we need to find the worker. Means we have to find n. Kita kena cari nilai n. RQ. But RQ we don't have n. We need to find the n now. So you must realize RQ, Qn. Can you see any relationship here, guys? Boleh nampak hubungan tak? You see a Q over here. You see a Q over here. Means that I can combine them. Saya boleh gabungkan mereka. Means this is a composite function. Fungsi gubaan. Okay, now the question is it RQn or QRn? Okay, this is the debate now. Mana yang betul, guys? QRn or RQn? Which one correct? What do you all think? So, R is basically the profit. Q is the number of packet. So what do you all think? Mana yang betul? Anyone? Come on. 33 people here. 33 orang. QRn or RQn? What do you all think? RQn. Okay, let's see. Wait, let me. Wait, guys. Let me see. Q is. Wait, guys. Let me think for a while. Okay, over here, right? A bit special. No need to use composite function. Tak perlu guna fungsi gubaan. Okay, why? Because they already give you this information. They want to make this profit. means one day 116,000. So I need to find my profit. Okay, saya boleh cari nilai Q dulu, then I know my number of day already. Okay, and then from the number of day, I can find the minimum worker. Okay, so basically you have 40Q, which is your RQ. Okay, so they say that the profit, this is the profit, must be at least means greater than or equal to 116K. All right, so yeah, then you have the next inequality. Okay, 200 plus 3n square. 200 plus 3n square is Qn. Okay, Qn. So they say is greater than, let me see, wait, greater than or equal to 2,900. Okay, so Qn actually represent your, where is the Q? Q is, wait guys. Oh, the number of packet. Okay, Q represent the number of packet. Okay, bilangan packet. Okay, so you can write 200 plus 3n squared greater than or equal to 2,900. Okay, 2,900 come from solving this. Okay, kamu selesaikan yang ni, and then you will get 2,900. Okay, then you just put it here. Okay, you maintain the inequality symbol. Kamu maintain lebih besar atau sama dengan. Okay, so then you just need to solve this one, and then you get your answer. Okay, guys, are you all clear? Boleh dapat? So your answer will be 30. Okay, 1. The rest, are you all 1 or 2 for today? Okay, so congratulations, we have finished chapter 1 function. Okay, guys, so how do you all understand intensive lesson today? Beneficial? Hopefully for those that focus 100% is beneficial lah. Okay, of course got more question, you all can look at it. 2 more only actually, 98 and 99. Okay, so yeah, so next week we will do on chapter 2. Okay, quadratic function, intensive lesson. Means I will compile all the 2024 question like this and discuss with you all. Very important topic also is basic quadratic function. Okay, and then for those take modern maths, tomorrow is our intensive class. Okay, we will talk on let me think, quadratic function. Oh, okay, good. Form 4 chapter 1 is your basic for your AdMaths. So for those AdMaths quadratic function not good, you come tomorrow for modern maths because that is your basic. Okay, for quadratic. Okay, guys, so any other questions that you have? Anything else for the 33 people here you want to ask? Any? Yeah, same time. Last one. Okay, wait, let me explain to you again. Never mind. Okay, so which part you don't understand, Damien? Is it the first line or second line of the answer? Second. Okay, so basically from the first line you know that the profit must be at least 116,000, correct? And Q is showing you the profit. Okay, the sale or profit lah. Okay, so RQ. So RQ is 40Q. And now they say that RQ is greater than or equal to 116K. So means that 40Q is greater than or equal to 116K. So that's how it come out the first one. Second one, you solve for Q. Okay, when you solve for Q over here, you will get, I think, exact 2,900. Okay, so you continue it with 2,900. So this Q over here that you find actually represent the sale. Okay, which is actually, sorry, wait, guys, I accidentally touched that one. Can already? Okay. So basically you continue with your Q function lah, because you already found the Q, right? So 200 plus 3n squared greater than or equal to 2,900. Okay, maybe some of you will say that it is an inequality, right? So when I solve, I will get something like this. Am I right? Why don't I write the answer as 31? Anyone got this kind of question? Because you get 30, right? But why they just stop at 30? They don't write n greater than or equal to 30. Anyone got this question? Okay, so basically the answer is already shown. Okay, they ask you minimum, guys. Minimum number of worker. So minimum means you cannot say 31 because 30 also included and is minimum because of the equal sign. Okay, so that's why your answer is 30. Understand? Any problems? Should be okay, right? So any other question you all have that you want to ask me? One. Very good. So yeah. Do you all have any suggestion like how to improve how I teach today? Like anyone like feel like got suggestion want to tell me? You can be open one. I am open to suggestion. Like anything that I should improve on, or you feel like everything is okay. Can you all like comment a bit? Is everything okay with how I teach? Okay, call out. Oh, okay. Tomorrow modern maths class, you see, I start calling out the name. When everything is good, right? I change something, then it come back already. Because everything going on so well, then suddenly I change something. Oh, last year I got call out name, is it? Oh, okay, interesting. Okay, never mind. I try to call out name for maths tomorrow. But I scared when I call out name, you guys get stressed. Am I